We are excited to be an exclusive one-stop shop for BCD high-performance and high-availability hardware and Milestone advanced software applications, and deliver trusted IP video surveillance solutions to our reseller partners across the region.
BCD is a system builder for all sorts of VMS security applications. We're excited to announce our partnership with Milestone Systems and their XProtect Rapid Review system. On all of these BCD appliances, we're going to have Rapid Review pre-installed with all of the same safety, security, support, and services that you'll get from every BCD video appliance.
Milestone XProtect Rapid Review is an intelligent video analytics solution that lets you review and analyze forensic video content to find exactly what you're looking for. We have partnered with BCD Video to offer purpose-built appliances for XProtect Rapid Review that allows our customer to use ready-to-deploy solutions. To add further value, these appliances are available to our value-added distributor NIT and Ingram Micro Company that are serving the entire EMEA region.